Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the poem The Mother Bird. So, here the poem is about a bird. Here, the boy is telling that in his house there is a tree and a nest was there on the tree. The bird is singing a song and telling to the boy that don't touch its net as the baby birds are taking rest in the nest. So boy is telling that, so bird, you don't fear because I won't touch your nest as your babies are very dear to me. So I won't touch your nest. Let them take rest while all day your babies are taking rest only. So don't bother, I won't disturb your baby birds. Okay, now here in today's session, children, we will discuss the bits of this poem. Here, enjoy the poem. In that bit A, choose the correct words to complete the sentences. So here in each question 2 options are given. You have to choose the correct word, the word which is suitable to the sentence. Okay, so here the first question is A dash sits in the tree. A dash sits in the tree and the options are monkey, bird. So what is sitting on the tree? Its bird is sitting on the tree as it built its nest on the tree. So circle bird, children. So circle bird. The answer is A, bird sits in the tree. Next, second one, children. The bird dash a song. The bird dash a song. The options are sings, reads. So what the bird is doing? The bird sings a song. So circle sings, children. Yes. Now the sentence is the bird sings a song. Okay. Now third one, children. The bird doesn't want anyone to touch the dash. The bird doesn't want anyone to touch the tree or nest. So what is the answer, children? It's nest. Circle nest. And the sentence is the bird doesn't want anyone to touch the nest. Now the last one, children. The dash in the nest rest all day long. The dash in the nest rest all day long. And the options are squirrels, babies. So who will take rest all the day? Its babies will take rest. The bird babies are taking rest all the day long in the nest on the tree. Okay. So the answer is the babies in the nest rest all day long. Now once we'll read all the sentence, children. All of you read along with me. A bird sits in the tree. Second one, the bird sings a song. Third one, the bird doesn't want anyone to touch the nest. Fourth one, the babies in the nest rest all day long. Okay. Now next bit B, children. Who said these words? Write child or bird on the blanks. So here the sentences are given. Now you have to write who said these sentences. Okay, here in the blank. The first one is done for us, children. Here the first question is, don't you touch my little nest? Don't you touch my little nest. Who said these words? Bird said these words. Now in the same way, second question, children. Leave my babies there at rest. So leave my babies there at rest. Who said these words? The child or the bird, children? It's bird. Bird said these words to the child. So write bird in the blank. Yes. Next, the last one, children. So Sing, dear bird, your very best. So sing, dear bird, your very best. So who said these words? Child said these words to the bird. So write child in the blank. Okay. Now next, play with words. In play with words, bit C children, a group of elephants is called a herd. Fill in the blanks with the group of names from the box. So here, what do we call group of animals? Here, group of elephants are called as herd. In the same way, what do we call a group of birds, group of geese, group of sheep, group of cows, group of crayons, as well as group of sticks? Okay, what do we call? The options are given here in the box. That is bunch, herd, flock, fleet, bundle, box. So the words are bunch, herd, flock, fleet, bundle, box. Now choose the correct word from these options and write in the blank children. Here the first one is a dash of birds. That is a flock of birds. Group of birds are called as a flock of birds. Okay. Now second one children, a dash of keys. A dash of keys. So what is the correct word? A bunch of keys. We call group of keys as a bunch of keys. Write bunch in the blank. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. A bunch of keys. Third one children, a dash of ships. A dash of ships. So here, a group of ships are called as fleet. What we call? Fleet. A fleet of ships. Write fleet in the blank. F-L-E-E-T, fleet. Fourth question children, a dash of cows. Group of cows are called as a herd of cows. Write herd in the blank. H-E-R-D, herd. A herd of cows. Fifth question, a dash of crayons. A dash of crayons. It's a box of crayons. Write box in the blank. And the last one is a dash of sticks. It's a bundle of sticks. Write bundle in the blank. B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. A bundle of sticks. Now once we'll read all the sentences children. All of you read along with me. A flock of birds, a bunch of geese, a fleet of ships, a herd of cows, a box of crayons, and the last one is a bundle of sticks. Okay. Now next, grammar fun. In grammar fun, today we are going to learn about articles. A, an. So here, as you know that in English total how many alphabets are there? 26. And out of 26, 5 alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. So before the vowel letter word or else vowel sound letter word, we will write an. So we use and before words that begin with a vowel sound word. Okay, either vowel letter or vowel sound word, we use and before the words that begin with vowel sound words. In the same way, we use a before words that do not begin with a vowel sound. That is, we write a before the consonant sound words. Before the vowel sound words, we use an, and before the consonant sound word, we use a. Okay? Now here, bit D children, look at the toys, write A or an with their names. So here pictures are given. You have to write the name of the picture as well as write the article a or an. If it sounds oval sound, then write an. If it is a consonant sound word, then write a. Okay. So see here, the first picture is robot. Ro. So it is not a oval sound word. It is a consonant sound word. That's why a robot. Okay. Now second one, children, what is this picture? Here it is a doll. What is it? Doll. And the spelling of doll is D-O-L-L, doll. Now doll, dha, is a consonant sound word. So write a before the doll and the answer is a doll. Now next third picture, children. Third picture, it is, what is it? Teddy. What is it? Teddy. Write teddy here. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. Now pronounce it whether the starting letter is oval sound word. Teddy, te. It's a consonant. So write A here and the answer is a teddy. Okay. Now the next picture, fourth picture, what is it? Umbrella. And the spelling of umbrella is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Here the starting letter is oval, so write an here. An umbrella. Okay, an umbrella. Now the fifth picture, children, what is it? Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So the starting letter is oval, so write an. An umbrella. Sorry, an elephant. Next picture is aeroplane. And the spelling of aeroplane is A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. The starting letter is A. E is a oval, so write an. An aeroplane. Next picture is ball. Ball. The starting letter is B. It is a consonant, so write a before the ball. So the answer is a ball. Okay. Next one, what is this? It is engine. And the spelling of engine is E-N-G-I-N-E. And here the starting letter is A. A is a oval, so write an before engine and the answer is an engine. Now the last picture, children, this is kite. What is it? Kite. And kite, K is a consonant, so write A before the kite and the answer is a kite. Okay. A robot, a doll, a teddy, an umbrella, an elephant, an aeroplane, a ball, an engine, a kite. Okay. Now next bit E, children. Here write a or an to complete these sentences. So write a or an to complete these sentences. Fill in the blanks. If the starting letter is A, E, I, O, U, then you have to write an. If not, write A. Okay. So here the first question is, there was dash jungle on one side of the city. There was dash jungle on one side of the city. Here jungle, the starting letter is J. J is a consonant, so what we have to write in the blank? Write A. And the answer is, there was a jungle on one side of the city. Next, second one, dash owl lived in the neem tree. Dash owl lived in the neem tree. Here owl, the starting letter is O. O is a oval, so write an here in the blank. And the answer is an owl lived in the neem tree. Okay. Third question. Did you see dash elephant in the jungle? Did you see dash elephant in the jungle? And elephant, the starting letter is E. E is a oval, so write an here in the blank. And the answer is, did you see an elephant in the jungle? Next, fourth question. Dash army of soldiers guarded the city. Dash army of soldiers guarded the city. So army, the starting letter is A. A is a oval, so write an in the blank. And the answer is, an army of soldiers guarded the city. Okay. Now the last question, children. Here dash insect has 6 legs. Dash insect has 6 legs. Here insect, the starting letter is I. I is a oval, so what we have to write in the blank? An. And the answer is, an insect has 6 legs. An insect has 6 legs. Okay. Now once we'll read all the sentences, children. All of you read along with me. There was a jungle on one side of the city. Second one, an owl lived in the neem tree. Third question, did you see an elephant in the jungle? Fourth one, an army of soldiers guarded the city. And the last fifth one, an insect has 6 legs. Okay. Now the last bit of this poem, children, writing. Here picture composition. Here picture is given. Based on the picture, few questions are asked. You have to write the answers here in the blank. Okay, see the picture. What is it? It is a tree. On the tree, a nest is there. In the nest, 4 baby birds are there. And here, 1 papa bird is here. Okay. Here mama bird and papa bird built a nest in the tree. Answer the questions. Okay. So here the first question is, where is the nest? So where is the nest, children? The nest is on the tree. Where is the nest? The nest is on the tree. So the answer is, write the answer. The nest is the T-H-E, the nest, N-E-S-T, nest, is, I-S is, on, O-N, on, the, T-H-E, the, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Okay. Now next second question. How many chicks are there in the nest? How many chicks are there in the nest? See how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 chicks in the nest. Write the answer. There are 4. F-O-U-R, 4 chicks. C-H-I-C-K-S, chicks in the nest. In the nest. Okay. Okay. Now third question. What is Papa Bird doing? So what is Papa Bird doing? Here Papa Bird is feeding the babies. So write the answer. Papa Bird is feeding. F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding the babies. B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Okay. Now next fourth question, children. What are the babies doing? So what are the babies doing? Papa Bird is feeding the babies. So what the babies are doing here? The babies are eating their food. Write the answer. The babies babies are eating their food. Okay. Now the last question, children. Where do you think Mama Bird has gone? Where do you think Mama Bird has gone? Now here in the nest, Papa Bird is feeding the babies and babies are eating. So where do you think Mama Bird has gone? Mama Bird has gone to bring food. Write the answer. Mama Bird has gone to bring food. Okay, that is about the picture composition. Okay, once we'll read the question and answers, children. All of you read along with me. The first question is, where is the nest? And the answer is, the nest is on the tree. Second question, how many chicks are there in the nest? And the answer is, there are 4 chicks in the nest. Third question, what is Papa Bird doing? Answer is, Papa Bird is feeding the babies. Next, fourth question, what are the babies doing? And the answer is, the babies are eating their food. Fifth question, where do you think Mama Bird has gone? And the answer is, Mama Bird has gone to bring food. Okay. Now with this, we have completed all the bits of the poem, The Mother Bird. Hope you all understood the poem well, children. Now, coming to today's your homework, children. Complete all the bits of poem 5, The Mother Bird, in your textbook. Learn and write all the bits of poem 5, The Mother Bird, in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.